Alright, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a quick video here. I got this Rana disk drive that was completely in parts, up and running. And I'm doing a speed test on it, so I grabbed a phone real quick. And I've almost got it there. There's an adjustment screw right there that I've been playing with, and it was running too fast before, so I've been slowly backing it off, and thankfully I went in the right direction. But it was running like 297. Now I've got it like down to 291. It should be at 288 per Paul Alhart, my disk drive guy who sent me all this stuff. Still a little fast, but I think I can get it down a little bit more. The little LED readout, most of it works, so I'm happy about that. That was a replacement too. He's got some capacitor replacements that makes this thing a little more stable and gives it better speed. He just sent me a PDF on it. So if I really want to do that, okay, I'm going to take one more notch down right here. Just a little bit. I'm adjusting it so much, I'm thinking maybe that resistor thingy might help. And I'm getting a kind of a knock on the drive, so it's not the track O sensor adjustment, 290. I don't think I can get it much better than that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back completely out of this program and then run the test again just to make sure that I haven't gone too far. And it might need to reset because maybe it's not reading it right. I don't know, but anyway, yeah, I think that's the same. R5 is the designation on the motherboard. And it's the same on the 1050, except it's a different type of, I think you adjust it from the top down. Now, when I put the case back on this, I think you can actually get to it from the side because there's vents. So you can actually get to that. I just realized that when I got the case off. Most of the hardest part about this damn drive is finding all the screws to fit. These I could not find. So what I did is I ended up drilling it out so I could find a more, have an easier time finding a screw to go in there, and it worked. So it looks like we'll do just wait one more test here. So I'm surprised I got this thing running, man. I am not a disk drive guy, but apparently I am now. But depending on how this adjustment goes, I might look at Paul's PDF he just gave me. Speed is okay. I'll take okay. All right. Let's break out of this. It's going to go back into DOS. I adjusted it quite a bit. That's why I want to back out of this real quick and then go back into the software program. And then I got this speed test program. It's on the Indus GT software, the DOS XL. So it's going to go all through all this synchronous crap, and it's going to error out. But then we'll get into DOS. What was the other thing? Oh yeah, this switch on here. Paul says it lets you copy protect stuff that is uncopyable, I guess. So that's like copy protection on, you can copy, and then that's when the switch is off. There, now I'll load the menu. Could have had the tripod set up, but it's sitting on the tripod stand. Right, there it is. Okay, we're going to load the binary. It was gtrpm.com. It's got some clicking. It works, man. I cleaned the crap out of this damn thing. Did not replace the main capacitors. They looked okay. And here we are. Let's see what we get. I can tell you right now, it sounds a lot slower than it was. It was like a 297. And I could tell right away when the first test that it was running too fast. But this is probably right. Maybe even too slow. I'll take it. I don't think I can do much more adjustment to it. I don't want to take it too far and risk knocking it out. So Yeah. Sweet. I might have to look into that. I might, since I've adjusted it so far, I might look into replacing some of those capacitors that he mentioned. I'm just 2 points off, and I've already adjusted it quite a bit. I also downloaded the official PDF for the 1050 to compare notes. I think that's about as good as it's going to get. I don't want to push it. I've adjusted that quite a bit. Not a full 180, but quite a bit. This is my 800 XL. It's got 256K RAM and stereo. So I think I'm gonna stick with this. Yeah, good enough. All right, thanks for watching, and it's on to the Indus GT after this. Bye-bye.